In this video, I will show you how I created this cute interactive card using the elements from the Hero Arts My Monthly Hero January 2023 kit. Hi, this is Anna from Crafty Anna Studio. Welcome to my channel. I'd like to apologize for my raspy voice. I was out of town for the holidays and caught a really bad cold, and I've only started to get my voice back. I will keep the voiceover to a minimum so you don't have to suffer through my croaky voice. First, let's take a quick look at this month's kit. As per usual, the contents of the kit come in these zippered pouches. Inside each kit, you will receive a printed card which lists the contents of the kit. In this month's kit, there are 18 fancy dies, including a pair that will cut out a Faux Matchbox. There is also 2 coordinating frame cuts to cut out the 2 images in the stamp set. There's also a 6x8 stamp set with lots of fun sentiments and images that coordinate with the Matchbox, or can also stand on its own. Also included is a 6x6 stencil with a heart-shaped daisies design. And let's not forget the cardstock. We have 3 sheets of 8.5 by 5.5 craft cardstock and 1 each of peony and azalea cardstock. For the embellishments, there is a small pack of mini hearts sequence mix. To create the background of the card, I took a panel of the peony cardstock and taped it to the back of the heart-shaped daisy stencil with washi tape. I also taped it down onto my glass mat to prevent it from moving around. I will use Hero Arts glitter paste. I removed the cling film from the top. This prevents the paste from drying out. To tint the paste for a tone-and-tone look, I used Taffy Reactive ink. And using a palette knife, I took some of the glitter paste and placed it onto the glass mat, smooshed some of the taffy ink and mixed it in very well with the glitter paste. I use a different tool to add paste onto the stencil. This one is a rubber one with a flat edge. I find it much easier to spread the paste evenly using this tool. I mistakenly filmed this part of the video on the wrong format, so it may look a little distorted. But not to worry, it will normalize in a bit. Then I removed the stencil carefully from the panel to reveal the beautiful stenciled background. It may not show up on the video, but the texture is super glittery. Next, I took the dies that cut out the elements of the Matchbox and die cut them out. I used the peony cardstock for the inner part of the Matchbox and the azalea for the outer part. I will stamp on this before assembling it. I will place the Matchbox cover on the stamp positioning tool, add anti-static powder, then I will stamp a postage stamp border with unicorn ink and heat emboss it with white detail embossing powder. Next, I will stamp and heat emboss the sentiment, "A Kiss for You," using the same ink and embossing powder as the border. I use the edge of the scoring tool to fold in along the score lines. This ensures the folds are straight and even. Here I am trying to figure out the right placement for the inner part of the matchbox. To cut out the chocolate kiss, I use something I purchased from the hardware store, aluminum tape. You can use silver cardstock, but I just love how this looks like real aluminum foil the chocolate kisses are wrapped with. To add some depth and dimension to the matchbox, I will use a light pink alcohol marker. I will add a little tab at the back of the chocolate kiss that will mimic the little tabs that the actual chocolates have. This is just a strip of parchment paper, but you can also use vellum. This will also serve as the pull tab for the interactive element of the card. The word kisses on the tab is in blue, so I decided to handwrite the word pull also in blue. Then I adhered all the elements onto the matchbox. I will also decorate it with hearts taken from the die set, and then assemble the cards. I'll set this all to music as my voice is beginning to give out. In the meantime, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to my channel for more paper crafting videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. I would really appreciate it if you could like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're interested in any of the Hero Arts products I used in this video, I have it linked in the video description below. I have a full list of the supplies on my blog post, which is also listed below. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!